This video explains about basic fundamentals behind why can't manual transmission gear shifts be in a straight line. Gears in a car's transmission are not arranged in a straight line, but in a specific pattern called a gearbox, which is designed to optimize the vehicle's performance and efficiency. The gearbox arrangement is a system of interlocking gears that transmit power from the engine to the wheels and helps the car move at different speeds and torque levels. The arrangement of gears in a gearbox is designed to provide a wide range of gear ratios, which allows the engine to operate efficiently at different speeds and loads. The gears are arranged in a specific pattern, with each gear meshing with the next gear in the sequence to transfer power from the engine to the wheels. The gears are not arranged in a straight line because this would limit the number of gear ratios that could be achieved, and it would also make shifting between gears more difficult. By arranging the gears in a specific pattern, the gearbox can provide a large number of gear ratios with smooth shifting between gears, making the car more efficient and easier to drive. In addition to optimizing performance and efficiency, the gearbox arrangement also helps to distribute the torque and load on the gears evenly, reducing wear and tear and increasing the lifespan of the transmission.